Hey guys, so here I've got my little new caboodle case. This is one of the older ones. It's got this little notch with the logo on it and everything. It's really cool. But this is an old case. But I wanted to show you guys what I did to it because I turned it into my makeup case. If you've ever seen my first caboodle case, which is a train case, it's actually what I kept all of my cosplay makeup in. But this is my regular makeup, so let's get into it. Oops. So when I open it up, we have all the main stuff here at the bottom. We have my exfoliating mask, makeup remover, some other little masks, and bunch of lipstick, foundations, primers, little things here and there that just help with every day. I have my rainbow highlighter here. I have another one. I have to find it. Up in here, I do have all my brushes. So this is like a little brush pocket here. When you have a lot of things like I do for makeup and stuff, because I am a presenter for Unique, it gets really kind of weird on how you want to store everything. So I find a way. Now, up here, it's got a cute little mirror, which I really love. And then this little piece actually comes out, so I'm actually really excited about that. But talking about down here, we have my eyeshadow. Okay, so we have my eyeshadow palette, the one that I have. That's about the only eyeshadow I have in here. Then we have some other little, like this is a liquid eyeshadow. It's very pretty. So we got some of that, some gel liners, a sharpener. This is actually another eyeshadow. So there's a couple, but not a lot. And then, of course, we have the mascaras. Right here, I have the 3D fiber lashes. I have like 2 sets of these. The other set is actually down here with the other stuff. It is actually in a pouch. This is how I keep them separated to know which one is the new ones and which one has been used. So that really kind of helps me to know. Then I have also my primer because this is always like a bunch of Unique products, except for some other stuff is from like L'Oreal and everything. It's the mix. But we have all of our mascaras. So I've got the 3D fibers, the purple Epic mascara, the actual black Epic mascara, and my lash serum, which I really love the lash serum. You can put this on your lashes to help them grow and everything, and it's really cool. And then down here in this little guy is technically just my eyeshadow primer. We have some eyeliners, brow tints, and mostly just eyeliners and stuff. And then I have this tattoo studio from I think this is Maybelline. I'm not actually sure who this is by, but it's just like a thing I can put on my brows to kind of tint them for a couple of days, even though I do get them tinted about once a month. And then I have this tint, which is interesting. It looks like a little champagne bottle. It's a kind of reddish tint. I kind of like it. You put it on and it dries, and then you peel it off and it lasts for a little bit. And then, of course, this little spoolie for this. So whenever I put that on, I can use that to rub it in. And, of course, like I said, my eyeshadow primer, which really comes in handy. And that, it just goes right on top of these, which is really awesome. So if I want to go in with a liner, I just go right in here, find the liner I want, go down in here and say, oh, I want to do this mascara today. So I just pick them out, use them, put them back up. Now I chose this small stuff right here to go up here because you can't really put anything big up here because this will not shut properly. So that's why I chose for that to go there. I really like it though because it comes in handy, but this is really cute, and this is how I just kind of wanted to do my makeup. This brush, I don't know if I'll keep this in here. I actually think I'm just going to sit it in my Unique bag because that doesn't really, I don't use it. So I just have like this foundation brush, brow brush, and a This is like a highlight and contour brush, so that comes in handy. And then I'll probably put like an eyeshadow brush or something in here. I don't know. I wish I could fit my James Charles palette in here, but I can't. This base is actually not big enough for the palette, which I really wish it was. But if it was, I would put it right on top of here. But I've tried to put it in here, and it just doesn't fit properly. So if I go somewhere, I'll have to carry it, which I don't mind. That thing's like my baby. So, but yeah, this is my old-fashioned caboodle case and what I put in it, and I think I like everything that I put in here. It really works, and it's a pretty pink color, and I'm just excited that I did this. So with that being said, I want to thank you guys for watching my video, and sorry if it's a little short one, but I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!